Hi, welcome back. This is Chef Shachi with Adya. We are here at the Anaheim location of Adya. You can also find us at Orange Homegrown Farmers Market every Saturday from 8:30 to 1. We have packaged food there, and we here at the restaurant have an eclectic menu with lots of Indian street food and things you might not find in other Indian restaurants. Today we are going to make an Indian style stir fry. The great thing about this recipe is that you can make it with whatever veggies are in season. Today we are going to make it with these gorgeous multicolored green beans we got from Black Sheep Farms, along with these beautiful cherry tomatoes and Fresno chilies that I sliced. I did leave the seeds in because I like a little bit of heat. I chopped up the mint and the cilantro we got from Gaitan Farms, and I've got some ginger. And then we're gonna spice everything up with my masala box. So there's a bunch of different spices in here. We're not gonna use all of them, but we're gonna use most of them in varying degrees, and it's gonna make for a really amazing stir fry with lots and lots of flavor. One of the great things about this recipe is that it's so quick. It's so flavorful. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with cumin and mustard seeds, and we're gonna bloom those in hot oil. And what blooming means is basically you're kind of coaxing the flavor out of the seed. It's a little bit, the flavor is different than dry roasting, and when you see it, when we cook it in a minute, you'll be able to see. The mustard seeds are gonna pop, they kind of pop like popcorn, and the cumin seeds kind of get fizzy around the edges. We're gonna start with those two. We'll add in our beans because they're gonna take a little bit longer to cook than the tomatoes. Let those cook with a pinch of salt and the ginger, just for a couple of minutes. Then we're gonna add the peppers and the tomatoes, and we're gonna add all of our dry spices that we're using today. And today we're gonna be using ground coriander, ground cumin, chili powder. One thing about ground spices, if you can, as much as possible, try to buy whole spices and grind them in your own coffee grinder. That's a little tip. We're gonna finish it with a little lime juice, cilantro, and mint, and then it's gonna be ready to serve. Let's go. What I'm going to add now is ground cumin, ground coriander, if you wanted more heat, you could add a pinch of chili powder, but if you're not looking for that, we won't add any in right now. You can add some more, or more mustard seed or less coriander. You can change it up to what you prefer.